Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 135. We start with this row. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. That 8 means this is our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 here, 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 4 and 7 means this is our 1. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this top row now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 1, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 4. 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. That 5 means this is our 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 5. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 2. This 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.